GM Mike Mayock and head coach John Gruden are souping up their defense with Clemson players and their offense with Alabama players. Slot receiver Hunter Renfrow was quite a find last year in the 5th round, and they got guard John Simpson in the 4th round this year. But it's all about the defense as defensive end Clelin Ferrell was selected number 4 overall, and cornerback Trayvon Mullen was selected in the 2nd round in 2019. Then this year, the Raiders selected linebacker Tanner Muse in the 3rd round. From Alabama, 2019 undrafted free agent guard Lester Cotton made the team. But 2019 and 21st round picks Josh Jacobs and Henry Ruggs will be leading men on this offense. Josh Jacobs only ran for 640 yards in his last year at Alabama. But when the Raiders saw his vision and patience, his tackle breaking and pile pushing power, elusiveness, and that he was just hard to put on the ground, period. Along with his ability to protect the passer and his ability to catch the ball out of the backfield, they had to make him a 1st round pick. And when the Raiders got him in 2019, he was the same guy they saw on tape. He's a good outside runner. He can run the toss from the power gap scheme. Watch this cutback here. He can run the stretch out of the zone scheme. You can even give him that good old-fashioned power sweep and he'll do something with it. He also runs well inside. How about that inside zone? And he was almost out of there on that one. And he was a beneficiary of the biggest offensive line in football, opening up huge holes. And when he gets through the hole, that's when the party starts. Watch these tackle breaks and shakes. The stiff arm. Jacobs is a complete runner, so he can get it done outside, inside, and in short yardage. But he's not just a complete runner, he's a complete back. He catches the ball well out of the backfield. The cornerback coming up to make the tackle here didn't want that work. Jacobs can do something with it in space. He's so hard to tackle in space, you wonder why the Raiders didn't throw the ball to him more. Look at all that. Jacobs can also pick up blitzes. and he opens up things for others as the defense follows him on this waggle. Here the play fake's gonna suck the linebackers up so Carr can get the ball right in behind them. Here, the flea flicker's gonna make the safety take a couple of steps up and give Carr just enough room to get this touchdown pass in. Go ahead and count them, there's 10 in the box now. So this play fake is gonna get everybody thinking run. And it's one-on-one deep down the field. What do you think Ruggs is gonna do with a 10-man box? But don't think it's gonna be all Jacobs helping Ruggs. Ruggs will help Jacobs starting with blocking. He sprung Ruggs on a few big runs when they were teammates at Alabama. Actually, Ruggs does a good job of blocking no matter who has the ball. The first myth I had to dispel is that he doesn't block well, because he does. They also said he couldn't get off press or play against pro prospects at corner, and it was based on one play that he slipped on the line of scrimmage on. But here he is on Christian Fulton again, and he gets off press and he actually gets open deep, but the ball goes elsewhere. Here Fulton's going to try to press him as his arms come up, but he misses there and he's going to abuse him on this route, but the ball's going to go elsewhere again. On this one, Fulton's going to try to mirror him. Ruggs is going to get him on this comeback route, but the ball goes elsewhere again. Now this one's a doggone shame because it should have been a touchdown. Ruggs already has a step on his man and he's pulling away, but quarterback Tua Tagovailoa does not throw the ball to him. Instead, he throws to Jerry Jeudy for the first down instead of the touchdown. But it's not all about deep speed for Ruggs, he's a good route runner. That's a nice pivot route right there. Watch the separation he gets on Fulton here. Ruggs can also find that sweet spot in the zone for you. And here he's going to adjust his route to get away from the linebacker dropping. Blazing speed, great route running. Oh yeah, and the most important thing, hands. Watch this. Yeah, we'll take another look at it slow. His hands are so good, sometimes he only has to use one of them. He only had one drop in 2019 too. Ruggs can also make the catch when he knows contact is coming. Safety Grant Del Pitt's gonna get him on this one. And when someone actually sticks with Ruggs, he can make it the contested catch too. Ruggs is nothing like your typical speedster. He plays through contact just fine, and sometimes he seeks it. So much for those that say he falls right down after contact. Here he's going to show again at 6 foot, 188 pounds. That is not the case. And he can do a little something with the ball after the catch. Oh, one misses and the other holds on. And if he has too much space after the catch, he's going to create even more by taking it to the house. Oh yeah, and those jet sweeps, Gruden runs those these days, and Ruggs can take those to the house. Man, that's easy work. Oh yeah, and he's gonna get you on that deep ball. He has the complete #1 receiver skill set that comes with opening up things for others. Here he is in the slot, and he's going to draw the attention of 4 defenders over in the middle, while Jerry Jeudy has one-on-one just outside of him. And he's going to waste it with the drop. Gruden already has a plan for all the different ways he's going to use Ruggs. He's going to use that speed on short crossers to get open and run after the catch in the West Coast offense. Then he's going to be creative and fake the short crossing route and go deep with them. He's going to put them in a bunch formation to create some confusion and just let them run a go route. But the vertical game isn't just about go routes. It has routes that break at 20 yards instead of 10. And with Ruggs' speed, corners will already be running toward their own goal line, making it easy work for Ruggs to make that cut and the catch for at least a gain of 20. And every once in a while, Gruden will hit you with a reverse or a jet sweep. Ruggs had only 746 yards receiving last year, but like Jacobs, Ruggs has too much talent to pass up in round 1. In year 2, expect Jacobs to get more opportunities to catch passes. That will be the area that he makes his biggest jump from his rookie year. And of course, he already has things under control on the ground. Then with 8 to 10 men in the box, quarterback Derek Carr will use his big arm to throw the ball deep down the field. The Raiders finally have that speedster they can do that on a more regular basis with. Ruggs and his lightning speed will be a sight to see. And that will open up things for others, like tight end Darren Waller, who led the Raiders in receiving last year. And slot machine Hunter Renfrow will get a chance to do his damage as well. That Bama connection is going to open up the Raider offense.